What's up, guys? Good morning. Today's video, we're gonna go hang out with Bradley and button up the final bits on the car on the inside, the door card, trim, pieces like that, and some other things that he was gonna check on for me, and of course the ducktail spoiler. But last night here in Virginia, we had a terrible storm. It was actually I think a tornado touchdown in Smithfield, or like right across the James River Bridge, and it hailed really bad. Some people had their sunroof smashed. I tried to get the car out of here and get over to a SunTrust bank and like get under an awning, but there was no room. People were already doing what I was doing, but I think it's okay. I'm gonna get it under the light at his shop, but I think the wrap was just enough to keep it from destroying the car. My heart goes out to anybody that had like a car that they've put some time into, and the worst happened last night. Looks like we're gonna be okay, but it was definitely scary watching like 40-50 mile an hour wind throw hail at the side of your car. And some people had like golf ball size hail. Everybody always says that. Check out this photo. All right, let's get in the car, get some heat in the engine, go see Brad. We don't got much time today. All right, well, I'm gonna stick a camera in your face first thing in the morning, man. What do you think?
What's up, man? It looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah.
So we both agree though the stripe was the way to go?
Yeah, that was a nice touch. And
cool, forged carbon.
Yeah, that just looks really good.
Again, we don't have a ton of time today, so this might be like one of those videos where I just pick this and put this in somewhere. He's gonna finish putting the door cards and possibly fixing this like issue that I have, like a little rattle on the window. But door cards are gonna go in, possible test fitment for the spoiler. But stay tuned as always and enjoy the video. All right, guys, so the big decision right now is if we decide to keep wing and put it on the car, do we go with beige seam sealer or do we go with white seam sealer? Now, there's no way to mix the two because I just thought about that. So if we put the wing on the car, there's definitely a gap. Let me see. Dude, we gotta go with the, yeah, that's, okay, hang on, let me focus on that. That's beige, okay.
That's beige.
I don't hate the beige. Now, it might look bad when it's like a 15-inch line, but how bad's the white?
Yeah, that's the thing. So they're both like respectively off.
Yeah,
right?
Neither one match.
Right.
What do you think? Look, guys, we're just gonna let him do it and we're gonna blame him.
Exactly.
You know what, let's go to the bigger part of the car so we have to like squat down. Let's go like up here, like really.
From afar?
From afar, I'm thinking white.
I think even from close up. At the end of it.
Dude, it's gonna like booger juice if I do the beige, I think.
Yeah.
I think we gotta do white and here's what I think. I think we gotta do white and hope the white ages. Let the white seam sealer maybe age some, get pollinated, get dirty, and it might become this cream color. But I think if the beige goes on, that's gonna get really funky really quick, or it's not gonna match at all and it's gonna be an absolute eyesore while filming.
Let's run a little bead on the bottom of this up against the color right here.
Okay.
And I can just wipe it off.
Yeah.
Just so we'll see the contrast.
Bet. It's gonna be pretty much the point of no return. We're deciding to do the gap at the bottom. We're going with the white seam sealer on the BMW Z3 M Coupe. Shout out Bradley, go follow him right here somewhere in this video. Right here. We're using the super thin 3M double-sided tape. This stuff will pull a car in neutral if you have something assembled to it. Woo! That should look good. Thanks, Brad. I was really nervous, guys. I couldn't film it because we needed both hands pushing and trying to line it up. I think it looks really good. Damn, once we get these like little like end caps on the quarter panel, it's gonna look really good.
So we already sent it.
Yeah,
on here,
it's
so
sent.
We're gonna go ahead and seam seal this one.
Brad's doing the safety message for if it fucks up or looks terrible.
Yeah, he was like, this was your choice.
This is your safety message if I'm not responsible.
So now we're gonna tape it off nice and clean and seam seal it.
Should we seam seal it after we get the others on?
Well, I want to do a seam seal in here.
On that that
I mean, I guess we could just like lift it. But
no, I think you're right.
I guess someone needed it up anyways to do it here. So let's go ahead and put the other ones on too.
Oh, you can
I'll just do it afterwards.
Okay.
When we get fitted.
All right, guys, stay tuned. I'll film it and get a sick montage after it's completed. All right, so now we play the, I don't know what you'd call this, man, like the dice game. He was basically saying that if you pull it too soon it's gonna be like too wet and it's just gonna like peel up bad. If you leave it too long, it's gonna like harden the tape kind of to it and be really ugly when we pull it off. So we're playing like a really cautious waiting game to get this perfect. And body guys can appreciate this, and I'm sure they know that, you know, it's better to like take your time than.
I'm just gonna pull the paper for right now.
Yeah. Bottom seam actually came out pretty good, and that was where we forced a majority of the gap. The top, it might have just been because of the tape itself being a little bit thicker in some spots, but we're gonna have to figure out how to get that down. Yo boys, shout out Brad for taking his time. We went back over it with like a little like fine brush, and it really ended up smoothing it out pretty good. All right guys, so today we are officially complete with Brad. Big shout out to him. Please go check out his socials if you need a quote for yourself. If you can't make it, send it to him. But the door cards are in, they look awesome. I got the little black BMW logo finally stuck on. Both sides are done. Work here is pretty much complete, unless like something pops off for brakes, but you know, he covers and warranties his own stuff. So that's why I like him and I chose him and trusted him. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If I don't already squeeze this one in somewhere. But as always guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, ring that bell. Also, big shout out to you guys. I finally hit 100,000 views on the channel. That's another big milestone for us, so I appreciate it. Drive safe, be safe. See y'all in the next one. Peace. So this is what's called it's a Z3 M Coupe. Yours is a Z4. It's a 2000.
No, mine's the only model that has a hard top.
Thank you so much.
You want to sell it?
You want to buy it?
Yeah, I want to buy it. So,
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now I saw her in traffic like a minute ago, so I waited for her to pull up. I love the white. My car's actually red.
Ooh, fire! Sell the stick shift?
Yeah.
You want to sell that?
No.
What's your mean to me?
What?